Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp storage almost full problem. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, if you are receiving a WhatsApp storage almost full message, here are some possible solutions. So you can manage storage. You can manage your WhatsApp storage by going to the settings and then storage and the data. Go back and you can see storage and the data, and from here you can see how much space is being used by each chat and delete unnecessary files such as forward messages, large files, and old chats. So you can tap on the manage storage, and you can see the chats. Here you can see the data. As this is my new account and there is no much more data, and you can see there is no much more chats also. So if you have too much chats, you can just simply tap on the individual chat and just select all of the data, or select the different files you can want to select, and then you will be able to delete those files, and you will be able to manage the space on your WhatsApp. So this is how you can easily manage storage on your WhatsApp. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.